Hi guys, it's Cathie and Paige and we're back in the early years kitchen again. This time we're going to make some chocolate truffles.
Ooh, chocolate, yum. Yum. So for our chocolate truffles, we're going to need Milo,
Desiccated cocoa.
All cocoa, desiccated coconut, condensed milk, some arrowroot bickies, a blender to break up our bickies and mix everything together, and a bowl. So our first step is to
Crush the biscuits. So we're going to use the whole packet of biscuits. We're going to tip them in here and we're going to use the chopper to chop them all up. Maybe break them in half as we chuck them in the fridge.
Might be a bit too big.
Don't be shy.
Shall we see?
Yeah. It's okay to have a few lumps. See how we got a few bigger lumps in the top there? That's quite all right because we're going to roll it all up into balls. Okay, so then we add our crushed biscuits into our mixing bowl. If you're using Milo, 2 or 3 tablespoons. If you're using cocoa, just 1 or 2.
2, should we put 3 in?
Yeah, sure. Can't have enough Milo, can we? Never enough Milo. So a hot tip I have is, Paige, you've got Wyatt at home, who's nearly 2. So I found when we're cooking at home, the bigger kids don't like the little kids to be involved and the little kids like to be involved. So I usually have a few extra ingredients that I give to the little ones and have them sitting at the table or the bench with us in their high chair or whatever, and then they get the sensory and they're included and they get to cook as well, and the big ones are happy with their outcome.
Yeah, I think he'll enjoy that.
Yeah.
He gets to get messy.
And the little ones do a lot more taste testing.
They
don't
do, yes.
Yes. So now we're just going to mix all that together. It's all nice and gooey. Yum, doesn't it?
Very chocolatey.
Yes. Milo is perfect for everything. It's getting a bit hard to mix. We might get in there with our hands, which we've washed. Have you washed your hands before you started? We can mix it all in. It's very sticky, this nice messy recipe. So when we've got everything all mixed in together, okay, so now we're ready to roll it into balls. We've put our desiccated coconut into a bowl and we're just going to roll it into balls, roll it in the coconut, and then we can put it in the fridge to chill a little, and then it's afternoon tea time.
That's time to get messy.
Yeah, this is the fun part, especially for those little ones that are doing their own on the side.
Oh yeah.
And there we have it, they're ready to eat.
They look really good.
They do.
A couple of variations we could do. We could put coconut in the mix. We could
As well as rolling it in the coconut.
As well as rolling it in the
That's a good
coconut.
idea. Yeah.
We could add some fruit, maybe some sultanas or mixed fruit.
Oh yeah, that'd make it more like a rumble, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, that'd be tasty.
Yeah.
I guess you could add anything you really like. Okay, well we're off for a cuppa and a chocolate truffle. You have a good day.
Bye.
Bye.